Okay, so moving on, I'm going to show you how you can insert multiple rows using only a single statement. Now you can just copy this and paste it multiple times. It is a solution, but I'm going to show you a faster way. So let's say we want to insert into our city table city ID, city, country ID, last update, multiple values. I'm going to type here 602 because 601 already exists from our video where we inserted one row. A new city, country ID, I put 109, and current timestamp. And instead of putting here like a semicolon, I'm going to put here a comma and put parentheses and put a new row. So I'm going to copy this and put here, comma, here, comma, and let's say only 3 rows. I'm going to put here semicolon, so I'm going to need to put 603, 604. Let's put different values, and if I'm going to fire it, this will be successful. Now let me select this from city. Now how would I select all these 3 rows? Let's say I want to select all these 3 rows. Now try to think of a solution and do your query yourself. Now I'm going to show you my solution. If you tried, good job. If not, let's see my solution. I'm going to put where city ID is greater than 601, and this will basically give me all my 3 rows. And as you can see here, this statement has inserted multiple rows in only one single command. Now I'm going to show you another shortcut. If you delete all these columns, behind the scenes Postgres is going to add them for you. And let me put here 606, 607, 606, 605, 607. And let me select this again, and you can see here that Postgres has already added this column statement. Now what will happen if I'm going to delete this and this and this? Let me put here 608, 609, and 610, and let's see what is the error. And you can see here that I have a strange error, and I'm going to show you what this error means. Basically, I'm going to show you what is the statement that Postgres is doing behind the scenes. So it's doing something like this: insert into city, city ID, city, country ID, and last update. And then it's going to put, let me copy these values, and it's going to put something like this, because if I didn't specify the column definition here, Postgres added for me, but added all those columns in my city table in the order that I have created them, and this is the order. And if I specify this only 3 values, basically Postgres will try to match the 3rd value with my 3rd country, and my country ID data type is a number, and here I want to insert a date. If you see here, column country ID is of type small int, but expression, I mean the value that I specified, is a type timestamp with time zone. And this is basically the let me just put here, this is basically the command that Postgres is doing behind the scenes. So when you don't specify a column definition here, the order matters in which you put the values, and notice that you need to specify values for every column, otherwise Postgres is going to add null for you. And in our case, this is what happens. So this is basically all about insert into a table when you can have a row, when you can insert a row or multiple values.